So here I am in the middle of December, about to harvest the last of my Jerusalem artichokes. It hurts, but it's almost Christmas. Christmas is in 3 days, and it's time to have something yummy. So here goes nothing. Let's see how much we can harvest. I will be reusing this soil, so that's why I'm taking it up in a bucket, because I'm definitely reusing the soil. So this is already really cool. And again, I will be leaving some for next year, because look how strong these are. Okay, this is pretty cool. This is my hand next to this clump. This piece that fell off. Okay, this is back here. And I am done harvesting. I put these back in because there are still a lot of these nodules underneath. I only thought I wasn't thinking of getting so much. You have to also plant some more in the ground once you're done. But yeah, we're gonna have a very delicious Christmas. So the ones like this are the ones I actually love putting back in, just leaving them there. I got more for next year. Planted some in here. See, I have garlic already wanted to sprout for next year. I also have some more. I have 2 varieties of Jerusalem artichokes. This is the flowering kind, and I got this one late in August, which is why it also didn't grow that much. I kept it in one pot, and in September I decided to divide it. So here's one, here's another. I'm not going to touch these because I want these to produce next year. But yeah, that was my little harvest.